Now this kitchen is actually quite simple. It's got clean lines, smooth doors, and the interest is brought with the colour choices, the metallic finishes, and the worktops that are just bordering on industrial. So this is our Carrera door. It's an MDF smooth painted 19mm thick door, and we've showcased this here in our Heron Grey and White. To keep this kitchen as budget friendly as possible, we've opted for a laminate worktop in a weathered finish, which adds interest against an otherwise plain door. This kitchen has been designed with the chef in mind. It features 2 full-size single ovens, a large induction hob, and a gesture control angled hood, which is ideal for reducing the number of touch points in the kitchen during cooking. Framing the ovens for easy access, we've included 2 big pan drawer sets, one of which has got an internal cutlery drawer inside, just to simplify the lines on the outside of the cabinets.